The 4 conditions of unity. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to share a teaching that is very important for our lives. Unity. Let's start with a question. What is unity? Unity is not just living together in the same house or being in the same group. It means being connected in heart and mind, living in harmony, and caring for each other. Yet, even in families, the smallest community, disunity is common. Brothers and sisters may fight. Parents and children may misunderstand each other. And relationships may become strained. So why is unity difficult to maintain? Buddha explained that there are 4 foundations of unity. These are simple but very powerful principles that help families, friends, and communities stay connected. 1. Generosity, sharing and giving. The first foundation is generosity. Generosity does not only mean money. It can be a gift, food, time, help. Think about families. Parents bring small gifts for their children. On birthdays, presents are exchanged. Friends share food. These acts show love and care. Even small gestures make a big difference. Without generosity, people feel neglected. With generosity, relationships grow stronger. Generosity builds trust, love, and a feeling of connection. This is why it is the first foundation of unity. 2. Kind and gentle speech. The second foundation is kind speech. Words are powerful. One harsh word can hurt deeply. One kind word can heal. Even people who cannot give materially can create unity by speaking kindly and respectfully. In families, if parents speak gently to children, they feel safe and loved. In friendships, kind words create trust. In communities, polite and respectful speech prevents conflict. Unity grows naturally when people speak with care, love, and respect. 3. Helping each other, mutual support. The third foundation is helping each other. Unity requires mutual support. When someone is in difficulty, we should not ignore them. Even small acts, helping a friend, carrying something heavy, giving advice, or comforting someone, build trust and gratitude. When people support one another, unity becomes strong. When they do not, relationships weaken. Helping each other is essential for building a connected and caring community. 4. Equal treatment, respect and fairness. The fourth foundation is equality. Unity cannot exist when some people are treated as more important or less important than others. No matter someone's age, background, or status, everyone deserves respect. Parents should not favor one child. Leaders should treat all employees fairly. Communities should not exclude anyone. Treating everyone equally helps relationships stay strong and balanced. Wealth and abundance. There's another point to consider. Wealth and material abundance. In daily life, people naturally pay attention to those who have resources or influence. Whether in a family or an organization, someone with wealth can be more effective, respected, and influential. Because of this, wealth can also support relationships, cooperation, and the ability to help others. In this way, having resources or abundance can play a helpful role alongside generosity, kind speech, helping each other, and fairness. Conclusion. Let's summarize. The 4 foundations of unity are generosity, kind and gentle speech, helping each other, equal treatment, and in addition, wealth and resources can help support these principles. Strengthen the group. Without these, even families may fall apart. But when we live by these principles, unity grows in families, friendships, communities, and society. Unity is not something we wait for. It is something we practice every day. Through our words, actions, and attitudes, we create harmony and peace. Thank you for listening. May these teachings help you bring love, harmony, and unity into your life.